I'm Duday Acedo and I'm from Fort Alabang, and today I'm here to answer a few questions from TPH. First question would be, how long have you been working here? So, I've been with Fort Alabang since 2014. Actually, nawala ako ng about approximately 9 months. So, all in all, approximately 7 years now. Is this your first experience as an automotive sales consultant? Yes. Yes, it is. And nag-Toyota din ako, but I went back here to Fort Alabang 2018. And then up to current. How many vehicles have you sold in total? Getting an average since January for this year, that's 8.2 monthly, or 8 average. Fourth is, what car model have you sold the most? Actually, it's a combination of Territory, Ranger, and Everest. Most popular type, vehicle model. So, right now, since it's October, so October of 2022, most popular would be the next generation Everest. So that's where our increase, or most of our increase, are coming from. And what do you think is the reason for its popularity? Actually, Everest is has been our unit for a long time now. So one big factor is that client or previous clients already knew about the performance. Of course, importante yung durability, yung reliability, and flexibility, like they can bring it anywhere. And yung mga expectations din nila na meet when it comes to this unit. Ano pa ba? Of course, yung riding comfort, diba? And then, what do you think people oftentimes look for in a vehicle? So, same goal. So, syempre, they're after with the safety features. They're looking for reliability and flexibility, durability, something that they can rely on. Yun, of course, they're going through different, kasi we've been receiving different types of people na kung ano yung purpose nila, iba-iba. So, this gives them the flexibility dun sa mga needs nila na should be met. So, with their standards. Yun, we have I think, especially with yung mga top of the line namin, which is pinakamaraming features. Most used mode of communication used by your client. So, actually, if we're gonna refer about saan ba nanggagaling yung mga clients namin, we have some from combination ng walk-in, we have phone-ins, we have social media, what else? We have, Messenger, we have Viber. Of course, ito yung mga YouTube, ganyan. We've been receiving random inquiries. And what else? What is the most common question that you get asked the most from potential buyers? Right now, pinaka madalas would be yung availability talaga. Mostly, clients are willing to pay na talaga or have a bank approved already. It's just that they're just looking for the availability of the next generation Everest. And also, we've been receiving maraming increase for Raptor, which was wala pa kaming information or confirmation till to this date. Do all buyers do a test drive before purchasing your vehicles? What is the ratio? Actually, no, not all the time. But we've been having requests for test drive or actually ratio daily. Meron kaming mga about 5-6 average daily test drive. Even more kapag weekends, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So, if in case, by the way, you'd like to book a test drive, you can also let me know, and then para mas schedule natin ahead of time. And okay, next, do you know how to drive a car or vehicle? Yes, of course. It's a requirement. How did you end up getting featured on Trip's YouTube channel? Actually, si Sir Kim, yeah, I received a message from my page asking if we could meet and if I could be featured on the, if I could be featured in the unit on his channel or dito sa mga page niya. So, it was a very smooth conversation, like for example, matter of days lang, 2-3 days. Then we did our very first shoot, which was the Everest. So thank you, Sir Kim. And to those who have, by the way, supported, inquired, so I'd like to say thank you. How many videos have you done with them so far? Currently, we had released 3 videos. First was Everest Sport, and then we also did the Titanium, Everest Titanium, and then Wild Track. And then we have an upcoming, we just recently featured the Ford Territory. So yun yung abangan nyo din. And then I think that would be all for today. So thank you for watching, and just keep on watching our videos. So click like, subscribe, and share. So thank you again. My name is Duday Acedo, and I'm from Fort Alabang. Please continue to message me if you have any further inquiries. Thank you.